In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in GetResponse. If you send newsletters, autoresponders, or regular campaign updates, having a reusable template saves time and keeps your branding consistent. I'll walk you through where to find the template tools, the different ways you can build your design, and a few practical tips to make your template both polished and easy to reuse. First, open GetResponse and head to your template area. From the main menu, go to Tools, then Email Marketing, and choose My Templates. Click Create Template to start. You'll be asked to name your template, so choose something specific and memorable. Think along the lines of Newsletter Primary or Promo Minimal. Clear naming makes it easier to find and reuse later, especially if your team creates multiple versions. Now, choose how you want to build it. The quickest option is a pre-designed template. Browse the built-in library and pick a layout that matches your content style. Replace placeholder text with your copy, update images to your brand visuals, and set colors and fonts to match your guidelines. Be consistent with heading sizes, paragraph spacing, and button styles, so every future email looks cohesive. Add meaningful alt text to images, make sure your links are clear and working, and keep the main message visible near the top for readers who skim. If you prefer full control, start from a blank layout. Use the drag and drop blocks to assemble your structure: header, hero image or headline, body text, buttons, and footer. Keep sections simple and scannable, and use white space to improve readability. Single-column layouts tend to be more mobile-friendly, while two columns can work well for product grids. Set default styles for buttons and links now, so you don't have to redo them each time. Think of this as your master design that stays stable while the content changes. For advanced users, choose the HTML editor. You can paste your custom code or upload a zip file containing your HTML template. Make sure your styles are email-safe, ideally with inline CSS and table-based layout for reliable rendering across inboxes. Confirm your image paths are correct and hosted securely, and keep the design responsive so it looks great on mobile devices. When you're happy with the design, click Save. Your new template will appear under My Templates, ready to reuse for any future newsletter, autoresponder, or campaign. You can duplicate it for variations, update the name as needed, and keep your email creation process fast, consistent, and on brand.